It starts with a rhythm, the kind you don't just hear but feel in the soles of your feet. It's the hustle, the 5 a.m. alarm, the city that never sleeps because it's too busy dreaming. We are a people of now. We capture the moment, we share the joy, and we celebrate the wins, big and small. From the world records that silence the stadium to the quiet well done from a father to a son. We are the builders, the creators who see a masterpiece in a scrap of metal, the students who look at a tablet and see the entire universe. We don't just live on this land, we are the heartbeat that keeps it alive.